He's genuinely crazy. I don't know what specifically drew him to me.
Everybody, please put your hands together for my guest tonight, Pearl Thusi.
Back then, Facebook was a big thing. That is how Thabo got a hold of me. It was some sort of a TV hosting gig. I got there and then he got in the car. After about maybe 25 minutes of driving, he says, turn left here. And I realize it's a dead end. As I turn to look at him, he's already drawn the knife. My mind is racing, my adrenaline is pumping. I'd never felt so stupid. I think I asked him, why are you doing this? Well, he starts a monologue about his life and how hard it has been. For me as a young Christian woman, this was a huge opportunity to do the right thing. And I really believed that I was about to help someone. I said, give your life to God, or at least speak to my pastor. And at some point he agreed. He sold his story to
Sanibonani Nijane, welcome back to our YouTube channel, KZN Podcast. This is your podcast and everybody's podcast. So that's a voice note. That's like a clip from the Beauty and the Beast that is out currently, a documentary ekhuluma ke ngempilo kaThabo Bester kanye no Dr. Nandipha njoba sazi ukuthi they still in jail and they were banqatshelwa ebail. Thabo ke has been arrested for years for life, but Dr. Nandipha ke yena ke ungene manje kulento yaThabo ngoba ethiwa lutheka. Abantu abaningi ke sebekhombise ukungakithokozeli le documentary bathi cha akuningi okukhulunyiwe lapha ya ngaphandle nje kokuthi basho izinto lezi vele ebisizazi nesizaziyo ezilokhu zikhulunywa izindabeni nezilokhu zishiwo ku social media, ngoba naye uMakaThabo umuntu nje ovelile Nkosi yami oyihluphekelayo osho ukuthi akanayo relationship nomntana wakhe futhi akaze babe nayo relationship yaphe nomntana wakhe. uThabo ke ngendlela azaleka ngakhona wathiwa wazaleka ngendlela ukuthi MakaThabo wanukubezwa India ilithile elanukubeza elisebenzela kwaseke kuzalwa ke uThabo ke uyasho ukuthi cha uNandipha wafika ke wazobika ukuthi uThabo akasekho emhlabeni wamangala ke nayo ukuthi lo sesofika lana ngingaze ngizwe lutho ngaye kanjani, kodwa ke uthi ke waseke decide ukuthi cha impela ke bazobe sebeyaqala ke bayazila. uNandipha wayesithi cha uyena uzothatha enza amalungiselelo omngcwabo kaThabo ngazo zonke izinto. Uyasho ukuthi akazange asibone isidumbu sengane yakhe ngoba uNandipha washo ukuthi isidumbu sesithathile. Izinto eziningi ezidida abantu futhi indaba kaPearl Thusi nokusho abantu abaningi bathi cha bengamele uThusi Pearl Thusi azoba part of this documentary. Ayikho nje into ethile ayikhulumile ngaphandle kwale story esisaziyo. Lasho ukuthi ke wahlangana noThabo through Facebook, wam-DM lapho ke bahlangana ke wayesemkhomba ngesibhamu wangombese, kodwa wayesiyamcela ukuthi ucela hamba yokhetha inkosi. Nangempela ukuthi ke wavuma uThabo ukuthi ahambe yokhetha inkosi kumfundisi, kodwa ke uthi ke wa decide ungabiza amaphoyisa base beyamdedela uThabo wamdedela uPearl Thusi umfundisi. Ayingenamanga lento umfundisi ke waseyamthandezela ke uThabo Bester ke ngaleyo nkazi. So kuningi impela nje ongahlangana nabantu abaningi ababona ukuthi engathi nje engathi le documentary isheshisiwe okanye ama-producers nama-directors are sensitive towards ama-South African because abafuni ukukhuluma noma ukudiga kakhulu ngaphandle or from what is on the surface, from what we all see. Uzamileke ke noThabo ukuthi benoNandipha bayithile lentuzana engaphumi, kodwa ke kwathi inkantolo hayi cha ayiphume ngoba bakhokheliwe njengoba belapha ya ejele. Enye into futhi eveziwe ke uyena ke umfowabo kaNandipha osamile nongenako kuyisola ngokuthi wahamba wayompimpa udade wabo wagcina esetholakele kanje ngoba uGayi bebengenabo ubudlelwane kahle noNandipha ingakho ke wayesesho ukuthi hayi cha mina ngizohamba ngiyompimpa ngisho ukuthi wena uhlala noThabo lendlela ngoba imali waye engasayitholi baba kaNandipha kanaye eyakhuluma kodwa ke uthi weze eGoli wathi drive imoto ethile kodwa wayengazi ukuthi le moto khathe idriver yayinesidumbu salomuntu abambulala ukuze ba pretend ukuthi kube uThabo ngoba uThabo phela khona umuntu owashiswa ngempela ejele ngoba waphuma ngalo nkathi kuthiwa uye useshile kanti wasacrifice Nkosi yami ingane yomfazi yengahlangene ezohlangana nalezi zinto lezi Nandipha ke usabhadle ejele ke sekuphelile ngayo singathi nje ngisho ukuthi ucaca ukuthi kuphelile ngayo ngoba phela cha ukuphuma kona hayi and especially because i-trial yakhe ayikaqali ngisho ukuqala it's been like what 2 years now ekhona ejele ngaphakathi hayi mina kazi into mombosho ngathi wavele kusheshisa kuthiwe nje hayi nakulicala liqedwe uvume nawe uqala isigwebo sakho I can imagine ukuthi usabhadlele nje ejele akho lutho akho mnyakazo hayi but anyway that's i documentary out ungihamba nawe ebheka ku Netflix uzibonele uzihlaziyele yona usho ukuthi besikhona nesidingo sayo noma besingekho isidingo sayo kodwa nje according to a lot of South Africans bathi cha le documentary besingekho isidingo sayo bengamele nje isikhishwe.